Hey everybody, Mr. On Demand, Man with Master Plan, back again. Gemini extension for Google Home Controls is here for everyone. It looks like it's officially been released, and we're looking at the Gemini. It looks like the Google Home Gemini extension is transitioned from preview to general availability. This stable rollout, which has unfolded over the past few weeks, marks a significant step forward in how we can now use Gemini to interact with our smart home devices. Like all other Gemini extensions, enabling this functionality is a breeze. Simply open the Gemini app on your Android or iOS device, tap your profile avatar in the top right corner, and navigate to Extensions under Device Control. You'll find Google Home now supporting non-preview badge. Toggle it on and agree to connect to Google Home. So what do you guys think about this? Is this going to be a lot of help for home controls? Is this going to help you guys out in using your smart features in your home? You guys tell me, is this something you're excited about? For those who have been participating in Google Home Public Preview over the past few months, this transition to stable release brings some welcome improvements. One of the most notable is the ability to control lights and other non-sensitive devices directly from your lock screen without needing to unlock your phone. For security reasons, sensitive controls will still require you to open the Google Home app. The stable version also enhances media control, allowing you to adjust volume, pause, and resume playback on entertainment devices. Additionally, the thermostat tile now mirrors the functionality and appearance of one of the Google Home app, creating a more consistent user experience. The true power of Google Home extensions lies in its ability to understand and execute neutral complex queries. Imagine being able to say turn on the house lights except the bedrooms, and the follow-up with actually just turn on the kitchen and living room lights. These types of nuanced commands are now possible, making smart home control more intuitive than ever. Here's a rundown of all the stuff you can now control. So here's, stuff here: lights, switches and outlets, thermostats, fans, heater, AC units, window coverings, media devices, other smart home devices, all kinds of stuff. This is pretty good because we're transitioning to where people want more capabilities of being able to control things from your phone, with the smart features on everything out there nowadays. I personally have a lot of smart stuff in my home: smart refrigerator, a garage door opener that I use an app with, smart lights, and etc. So I think this is a really great thing, and if I can integrate that in with things like an home box that has hands-free and a speaker and a mic that listens to me, then the future looks bright for a lot of stuff like this, and we'll see. I will go over some videos on how to do that particular stuff once I test things out for myself on that. And you guys, if you like that, definitely subscribe if you want to see information on that, because the ONN Pro is one of the only boxes with hands-free mic and a speaker that talks to you, that can do stuff, like the Alexa stuff from Amazon. I'm not a big Amazon fan, but these are things that they really do need to upgrade to make the stuff work better. Hope you guys enjoyed this show. If you did, leave a thumbs up. If you didn't, let me know down in the comments. If there's any information you want to add to this, go ahead and add to it in the comments and talk more about your experiences with Gemini, if you're using it, or if you plan to use it, etc. I'll see you guys in the next video. Catch you later.